Hi, I am Frenzel, and this is my mini vlog. I woke up early in the morning to start my routine by reviewing my notes for our short quiz. Even if there are events in our school, I have to review my lesson because our exam is nearly coming. I prepare myself to take some foods for more energy and avoid skipping meals. And this is how my days start.
So, just give a moment of silence, no, while I am talking, no, para clear ako ako explain. And if you have question, you can ask me after, no. So again, no, good afternoon everyone. I am Norken Sibiatingo. I am a volunteer of the Philippine Red Cross Legal City Chapter for almost 4 years. And fun fact lang po, no, old student po din sa Finland, bagyan lang po for some reason. So, and akong i-discuss this afternoon is, una, the process of pag-donate of blood. Second is how important ang pag-donate of blood. So, let's start the process. The process of donating blood is first, mag-fill up of form. So what kind of form? It is the personal or information sa donor or person or patient. No? First part is personal data. Name, age, asa kapuyo, no? Address, region, basic information sa patient or donor.